do you have to say about Iduno in Igbo culture?
Wow. Iduno, that word Iduno, in other words, settling her temporarily, giving her temporal gifts. As a matter of fact, is a thing of that shows that she's coming from somewhere.
It's a thing of pride.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's a thing of Orobedia. This is what I came
This,
your house
is,
with.
this is my contribution.
Thank you from my parents.
From my parents.
Our own as well.
Yeah, and that is why in the manager say no Ogobuchioye too.
Yes.
Okay,
And
so that's that.
that.
Oh, where?
Yes.
That's good. That's good. But Iduno is often being neglected these days by people. What do you think is the reason